So these are some things that you've seen already. The horizontal barrel tumblers. These are probably the most common barrel tumblers that exist. So one of those look familiar, right? That's similar to the one you made. The middle one is this one, and then the little one is the one that we have to send out to you to look to see.
That's that plastic.
Those little plastic barrels. So they're called horizontal barrels because they are on horizontal axis where the tilting unit isn't. There are basically three styles. There's tabletop, benchtop, and floor. All right, we would call this a bench, that a table, because they literally end up on some lab guy's table for the most part. All three, and there's three grades of machines, really: hobbyist, industrial, and heavy duty. All right. There's a lot of garbage, Harbor Freight garbage, and stuff like that out there. You know, the machine. There's no energy in the machine. People don't understand why it's working. Those are typically the hobbyist ones. We deal more with the industrial and heavy duty stuff.